Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Tonight, we're going to speak about a very important subject, and the subject relating to keto is staying grounded in the here and now, not overemphasizing past difficulties that you may have had with your diet, not emphasizing anything really in the future that may be anxiety provoking to you. The important thing with the keto discipline and diet and lifestyle is to stay very grounded in the here and now and to plod along day to day. You know, in the fast-paced world that we live in, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of future plans, goals, and what ifs, especially when you're dedicated to a lifestyle that demands mindfulness and discipline like the ketogenic diet. However, the key to truly thriving in your keto journey and in life is mastering the art of staying in the present. Let's talk about this more specifically, the power of now. You know, the concept of staying in the moment is more than just a mindfulness mantra. It's a powerful tool for those on the ketogenic path. The keto lifestyle requires a significant amount of planning, from grocery shopping to meal prep, and it's easy to become overwhelmed in terms of the future nutritional goals and potential outcomes. However, by focusing in on the present, you can reduce stress and make your keto journey more enjoyable and sustainable. So let's emphasize one meal at a time. A great strategy to remain present is to focus on one meal at a time. Instead of worrying about whether you reach your macro goals for the week or if you'll see the desired weight loss, concentrate on the meal you're preparing right now. Enjoy the process of cooking, savor the flavors, and appreciate the nourishment your body is receiving. This approach not only enhances your dietary experience, but also ensures you're fully engaged in the choices you make, leading to a better adherence to your keto regimen. So let's talk specifically now about mindful eating. You know, mindful eating is another powerful practice for those embracing keto. It involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. Notice the colors, the smells, the textures, and flavors of your food, and listen to your body's hunger and satiety signals. Eating slowly and without distraction can help you enjoy your meals more fully and may prevent overeating, aiding in your keto journey and overall well-being. Also, it's very important to embrace the journey. The path to achieving your keto goals is a journey, not a race. Embrace each step, celebrate small victories, and learn from any setbacks. Stressing about the future can cloud your ability to see the progress you're making right now. Remember, every choice you make in the present contributes to your future success. Also, it's very important to connect with your community and support network. Engaging with a keto community can help also keep you grounded in the present. Sharing experiences, challenges, and successes with others who are on a similar path can provide support and motivation, keeping you focused on the here and now rather than worrying about the future. So in conclusion, staying present is not just about enjoying your keto lifestyle more fully. is about enriching your entire life. By focusing on the now, you reduce stress, make more mindful decisions, and open yourself up to experiencing joy and satisfaction on your keto journey. Remember, the present moment is the only one you can truly influence, so make it count. So I hope this was helpful to you in terms of your keto journey and planning. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscription button right underneath this video. I truly appreciate you doing that. Thank you so much. And we look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. This is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. Take good care now. Bye-bye.